Welcome to It's a Piece of Cake. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make these chocolate roses that will be filled with Nutella, and we're going to be brushing them with some gold dust just to give them that gold shimmer. So first, to make the actual rose shape you will need a mold. So I've purchased this mold off eBay. You can get on Amazon and Wish as well. So just search for rose silicone mold and it should come up. Once you've got your mold, you're going to put some tempered chocolate into a piping bag and you're going to pipe chocolate all the way so it goes to the top of each cavity of the rose. And then when you've done that, we're going to tap the silicone mold just gently on the table just to release any air bubbles and to smooth out the chocolate so it goes into all the corners and gaps, and then remove, just basically tip off the chocolate into a bowl and remove the excess chocolate, and then just use a spatula to neaten up the ends because we want them to be hollow. Pop it in the fridge and let it set. And when it has set, then pipe your filling. So I'm just using Nutella, but you can use peanut butter, ganache, jam, whatever you want to fill them with. Once you've filled it, then we're going to seal the back. So again, use your tempered chocolate to seal the back of it. And if you don't know how to temper your chocolate, there is lots of videos on it. I'll be soon probably making a tutorial on how to do it. But you can also use compound chocolate. So once you've sealed all the back, again, give your silicone mold a little jiggle just to smooth out the back so it's nice and flat, and then pop it in the fridge for it to completely set and firm up. When it's firmed up, silicone molds are extremely flexible, so they'll pop right out. So you just move the silicone mold around and then each rose will just come out very, very easily. So you can also make, if you don't want to make the chocolate truffles, you can make solid chocolate blocks as well. And I thought this was a really great idea for Mother's Day if you wanted to do these rose chocolate roses, because they're really cute and they're very simple to make. So you can leave them plain chocolate if you wanted to, or you can spray it with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray and then just use a big fat makeup brush, a soft, so it's got like soft bristles on it, and then just brush on gold food color powder. So these gold shimmer food color powders are available in cake decorating shops, and you can get them in plenty of colors. You can get pearl, bronze, copper. If you've watched my tutorials, you would have seen many different colors that I've used, and they're very, very simple to use, and they kind of give the chocolates a whole new transformation. So I like using them, but if you didn't want to use them, like I said, you can just leave them as solid gold. They have absolutely no flavor to them. So when you eat into it, you don't feel any flavor at all. They're just gold dust that have, like I said, absolutely no flavor to them. So that's to make these really simple chocolate rose truffles, you can say. So I hope you guys did enjoy this quick and easy Mother's Day kind of, or Valentine's Day tutorial. And if you did, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and bye for now.